A wolf had been gorging on an animal he previously killed when suddenly a bone from the meat he was eating stuck in his throat. He felt so terrible pain. He was groaning and running up and down, trying to relieve the pain he had from that bone. He tried to induce anyone he could to relieve him from this kind of pain. He was shouting, "I would give anything for anyone who could relieve me from this kind of pain," until eventually a crane decided to help him. Then the crane told the wolf to lie on his side and open his jaws as wide as possible. She put her long neck deep into the wolf's mouth, and with her beak, she could loosen the bone and relieve the pain. "Now," the crane said, "Sir, where is my reward?" The wolf grinned and showed his teeth in anger and said, "Be content. You have put your neck in a wolf's mouth, and you took it out in safety. That should be enough reward for you." The crane felt really sad and walked away. The moral lesson of this story is greed and gratitude go not together. Have a lovely evening or lovely morning. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.